Yo, I'm good, YouTube. I'm gonna show y'all how to, you know what I'm saying? Pick the bike up, you feel me? From the beginning, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? We learning, you feel me? So, before you do anything, glove, gotta have a helmet. Hey, look at it, hey, boy. Well, that could have been my head, but that could have, you feel me? That's why you need to wear a helmet though, but that besides the point. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you clothes, jeans. Let me see, y'all can see. Look, just look at the fit. Like, come on, you gotta, dress for the slide, not the ride. You feel me? Real, bro. Come on, like, bro. I ain't gonna need to show y'all that, but you feel me? We gonna get into it though. You feel me? So, first thing you know, we got the clutch, throttle. Come over here, bro. Hey, this piece right here, bro. This piece right here, back brake. This is going to save your life. This is going to save your life. Hold on, let me say it one more time. This is going to save your life, bro. I swear to God, I swear. It's going to save you though, but, you know what I'm saying? We gon', you know what I'm saying? I'm going to teach y'all how to get that in your, you know what I'm saying, crave in your head, though. So, my front brake missing, so don't even peep that though, but, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get too much, we ain't gonna do too much talking, you feel me? So, shit, first up, but I'm finna come on that side. First start, we gonna crank the bike up. Back brake. So the first step, I'ma just teach y'all from how I did, cause I started dropping back fast as hell. Yeah, so look, clutch. What y'all wanna do, put it in gear, to find out where your engagement, you feel me? So now, you know what I'm saying, once you get that already figured out, maybe, what is it, 0.5? Like that. You come on this side. So once, you feel me, you figure all that out, so the first step you're gonna do, all or nothing for the bike. I recommend two-stroke learning. Like when you first start learning wheelie, bro, two-stroke. But, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get into it. So the first thing I did when I first started wheeling, just look at that brake, look at the throttle control, look at the clutch control. That's why I got to get that figured out. First thing I did was that brake. You gonna keep doing that? That brake, see?
Hey, I'm showing him how the wheel lock up. Do it again, twin.
I'm gonna turn around. Get on this side. Also the clutch, throttle control. You feel me? That brake is just nothing to it. I don't doubt. Once you get the back brake, it's easy. Like it ain't. It's nothing. After that, it's nice. Back brake. I don't know what else to say. Like just the back brake, hit the back brake. Woo! You know what I'm saying? And there's I'm sleep.
What?
Helmet not strap. My fault, y'all. So that is simple. It's all good though. What I was just doing, just popping up with a clutch. Just keep doing that until you at least, I want to say just drop back. I'm gonna probably insert a clip. Water crash. I'm gonna just insert.
Oh yeah.
You feel me? I'm gonna do it again. I ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, just go ahead and drop back right here, twin.
No front brake, like come on.
That really what you need to do, take that bit off.
Hey, just pay attention to the back brake. That's
Still one high enough, twin.
Huh?
Still one high enough.
It felt like I was slipping.
Yeah, you would. I ain't gonna count. You was slipping in the rocks, twin.
Even if you don't even get it the first try, it's all about the reps. That's all. It's all about the reps. Don't even get discouraged. Don't even none of that. It's all about the reps. Look at my foot. Hey. Come on now, you just seen it. You just seen it. What else I gotta say? Alright, so we switched the location. Now I ain't gonna count with the location. I recommend finding like a light, like an empty parking lot. Something where it's like less traffic, you feel me? But hold on, let me. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'm finna show y'all, you feel me? So we got my boy Tadarius in there bit, you feel me? To teach that boy how to just pop up. So I said we got the back brake, no front, you feel me? But he got the clutch, shifter. So shit, yeah, let's do it. So shit, find the release it, like, you know what I'm saying?
Keep it rolling.
Yeah, bro, it's rolling, bro. I'm not cutting none of this, bro. Good snicker. Just watch the back brake. See? Where his leg went? Where his leg went? See, wheelie, you could not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
First, my bad. I was really on. Come on,
Hey. My boy put his feet back on the ground. Ain't none of that on that two-stroke now. Ain't like, roll like,
I got you. I know what you need though.
It's really just pulled in just a little too much. You feel me? Like it's like you just gotta find it, bro. You gotta find like the right spot. If that makes sense. Okay. Hey. Yeah, it was better than last time. It was better than that rep, but you feel me? Just keep. I said just put your foot on the pad. Yeah, that was.
Trying to get using it as a bed, don't know route. Alright, I got
you. Hey! Good over two working. Stop playing. Hey, boy, keep it. Back brake. Ah! Hey, that motherfucker look good though. Oh, bitch, still rolling, bro.
You gotta be alright, bro.
Bro, back brake.
Bro, what's going on? Alright,
That's what I'm saying. Don't even hit that bit. Don't even go so high. Just work your way up. Back brake, yeah. Know what I'm saying?
Alright, bet.
Yeah, don't try to goddamn.
I feel you. Alright, bet. Damn, that nigga Maurice smart as hell. Alright, bet, twin, I got you.
Yeah, don't even try to just work your way up. That's you feel me? You feel me? Come on, let's do it. Yeah. It don't even matter if the bike turn out just long as you getting that repetition, bro. Long as you just
this nigga.
Bro, I'm dead at, bro.
This is a real ass
twin.
That shit is alright, bet, twin.
That's what I'm saying. Don't even worry about how high that bit goes, bro. Long as you.
I feel you. Alright, bet.
You want me to show you real fast?
Go ahead, twin.
Just keep it rolling.
Alright, bet.
Bond y'all, we got on safety gear, my boy. Got on long sleeve, pants, good shoes.
Feel me? Hey,
Need
it.
Hey, helmet.
Need it. On the back of the truck in that crate, you gotta look under that like that headboard though. Hey, what my boy say? Dress for the slide, not the ride.
Back brake. Back brake. Back. Yeah. Just keep when you pop it up, just keep the clutch, like just hold the clutch in so that bit.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get all that shit like under control. Like I don't know. That way niggas be fucking up in the air.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Hey, you gotta watch the throttle control. It's a little bit of throttle and clutch. You gotta, you feel me? You gotta find it, bro. Yeah, that's why in this situation right here, that's why I say just ride the bike. Just ride the bike first, and then, you feel me, start to pick it up. Hey, don't caught no 125 and just think you just walk that bit. Unless you like that back brake. Come on. Just good reps. Come on, gotta get a good one. Gotta get a good one. Yeah. Come on, let's do it. That brake. Even if the bike turns, as long as you just, you feel me, just hit that bit, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna go for a little test drive.
Let the. Woo! Yes, sir. Back brake, yes, sir. Yeah. That was a good one. I ain't gonna count. That was a good one. 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 That's what I said. You starting to, you feel me? I said you want to turn around? Wait. You want to turn around?
I'm gonna turn around.
All right, bet. Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, fucking sir. Come on. Bro, so how you feel, bro? Hey, look. Sweat. Woo, that nigga working.
Hey, nah, for real though, twin. You know, got it. But you didn't see how I stopped. Hey,
I seen it though.
Hey, twin, back brake.
I seen it though.
Back
I'm
brake.
saying, hey, I'm finna, hey, give me like a little,
I got you.
finna show these boy what you doing.
You feel me? Back brake, all cause it's back brake now.
Bro, so how you feel, bro? Hey, look. Sweat. Woo, that nigga working.
Hey, nah, for real though, twin. You know, got it. But you didn't see how I stopped. Hey,
I seen it though.
Hey, twin, back brake.
I seen it though.
Back
I'm
brake.
saying,
Brake.
finna show y'all once y'all get everything packed down.
It like, twin, I'm a customer just stomping that bit now, twin. I ain't gonna cap.
I'm finna show y'all. Hey, once I get everything, you feel me? Once I get everything packed, I'm finna show you what you should look like.
Hey, back brake. Back brake.
That's gonna be the end of the video. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Hey, back brake. No, hey.
Back brake.
Don't forget that bit.